This is Mac OS 10 Cheetah 10.0, the very first Mac OS 10 ever. And also, it is a public beta. I didn't really know that. I didn't know that 10.0 was a beta and 10.1 was the official first OS 10 release. Well, great. That of course results in people having not really developed all that much for it. And it is really hard to obtain software for it. So today we'll find out how frustrating it is to get software for it and to use software. And also, I'm gonna tell you from my little user experience of copying the files over, this thing is very unreliable. Cheetah is, especially with the USB flash drives, first of all, it wouldn't connect to my server for whatever reason. OS 9 does it just fine, but well, so I thought, flash drive USB 1 is slow, but this couple of megabytes, I can deal with it. On the third time I connected it, it works, but right now, I had it connected, as you saw, nothing. And it even locked up once, so integration of USB, sort of, not so good. But anyway, I got it done. I've got here two folders. Here we got some folders from, can you guess who? Songs, and I will play them. So enjoy this little song here. Why am I doing this? Well, to test out the QuickTime Player 5.0 from 2001. Yeah, that should be working good. I mean, QuickTime Player was a established file, but not really the sound control in OS 10, because that is also unreliable. This is all the way up and nothing. But before it worked, I swear. Let's try this one. Or this one. I don't think it matters what song I choose. It's just in the mood of the program, really. But you can't play it usually. Why is it really not going? It's kind of weird. Oh, okay. Now it's going. As you can see, the sound control is working, although you can't really see it somewhere. The only way you can see it is in the settings for the sound, and there it is. And as you can see, it's kind of, buggy. And also it reminds me on how bad these speakers sound. On the slot loading models of iMac-G3, the speakers sound awesome, but on these, these are not really sounding great. So that was a little test with the old QuickTime Player, but now let's get to some interesting stuff. Let's get into Cheetah software here, and I've got some programs. These are the only ones I found. That's crazy, right? It is really crazy. First we got here Camino. Let's see. Maybe it works. I've probably downloaded a 2 new version for it. If it ever was meant to run on Cheetah, probably wasn't. So here we got it unzipped. That works great. So let's watch it opening here. It's checking something. Okay. Alright. Okay. It launched. That's great. So let's go into Applications folder and copy it good old Mac fashion over. And it is copying. But will it launch? That is the real question. That's always a little game on these old systems. Okay, nah. This doesn't do anything. I mean, yes, you could just go ahead and install a classic environment with OS 9 and then you would have all the software for OS 9, but that's not interesting, right? I want to have dedicated software for Cheetah because it's kind of hard to obtain. As you can see, even though on the website it wrote this version of Camino runs on Cheetah, no, it doesn't. It actually just crashes right away, half a second after I open it. Okay, well, let's get to the next one, Handbrake. Alright. Let's unzip Handbrake. That is also a very old version of Handbrake and an unknown zip header format encountered. Okay, so this old ass stuffy disk spanner cannot unzip it, but I'm not gonna give up on that one. I will actually unzip that on my computer and try it again. Alright, this is Acrobat Reader. Oh, I created a folder. Nothing in there, okay. Here we got an old version of Acrobat Reader. Now Adobe, I hope you guys even made something for it. I mean, you're a great company even back then, and a big company. So, yeah, you should be able to produce the software that displays PDFs on this old Mac OS X system. Alright, so it's got here the Acrobat Reader installer, and it's bouncing. Will it launch? Will it launch? Okay. Oh, we got a menu. Alright, let's click continue. And easy install. Looks very OS 9-ish. And we got a error. The installation requires a system folder on the destination drive. Well, huh? And it's going, as you can see. I don't know what. Huh? Could you tell me what that error was? Man, Cheetah is really like the Vista of the Mac systems. Always throwing errors. There you go, that is destination drive. Well, searching Mac HD. It's searching something, okay. I mean, the bar is loaded. It's searching. I don't know, a system folder is definitely on there. Alright, the software was successfully installed. Why do you bitch around? Okay. There it is, Acrobat Reader. Now will it launch? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we got a bounce. A couple of bounces. Yeah, go, go, go! Alright, we got a user agreement. Yeah, that's accepted. And there's more to Acrobat than Reader. Oh, great. Yeah, it is not configured to be the default applications. Oh yes, hell yes. Yeah, there we go. We get Acrobat Reader running. Woo! Wow. I didn't ever think that I'm gonna be so happy seeing Acrobat Reader booting up. But when I come back with this unzipped Handbrake file, I will also put on there a PDF and see the full working PDF glory. So let's quit that. Great, first success. Camino not, but Acrobat Reader top. Let's put that in the dock because it deserves it. It works. Adobe, cheers to you. Alright, now let's continue with our transmission here. That's an old torrent program, and also a very old version of it. Let's see, will it work? And what the hell? We don't have an image here to activate? I mean, hey, I just double clicked it. Here, activate it. Come on. What? What the hell? Alright, let's then select it this way. I mean, it's weird, but alright, it's not selectable. That's interesting. It's very interesting. Okay. This copy, you are a total noob. Version 10.1, 10.0 even. Alright. Not working. Not working. Let's try it one more time. But why should it work this time? Guys, this is actually not too easy to use. We got here, maybe this disturbs it when they're more activated. Let's try it now. Maybe now. Huh. Let's drag it in. Maybe that helps. Come on. Nah. I drag it here, but it doesn't do anything. Not good, guys. Not good. We got one program running. Woo! Awesome. Ah, God, that's really interesting. Now, I'll go ahead and do the same with this. I will unzip this, and also I will mount this and copy the application in here, and so maybe it launches. Who knows? And we're back. Okay, let's cross fingers that it this time reads the USB drive. It does! Oh, yes! Alright, got a good feeling this time. Let's jump back into my folder here, and it opens it up in another window. Okay. So as you see here, I've got a PDF file. I'll copy that quick over here to the desktop. Here I got transmission unzipped, so we can copy that directly to the applications. Unfortunately, I found out that the Handbrake image was corrupted, and I couldn't find a different one, unfortunately. So, yeah, it wasn't really the fault of this program as I first thought. But anyway, I've got an even older version of Camino in here. That's Camino 0.7. And so, maybe that, I don't know. Maybe that will launch. An error occurred. Always good. Let's copy it first. Maybe it doesn't like it unzipping it from the USB drive, because USB flash drives were something very weird for OS X Cheetah. I kind of figured out that much. Okay. Let's clean up a bit. And there is Camino 0.7. That's a really old image. And this time it works. Okay. Did it work? Yes, it is here. No. Wait. Where is it? What? Wait, it didn't? It did not mount, guys. Why not? Do we have something else here so we can eject the flash drive? No. The transmission is already unzipped. Oh god, guys, this is very annoying. Let's try it again. 0.7, come on, open up. At least give us the ability to launch your program. Okay, oh, I'm so stupid, man. I unzipped it into a DMG, man. You guys were like, wow, why is he not clicking the DMG, this idiot? Well, I'm sorry, okay. Now, here we go, it's checking it again. Let's let us check it. And will it this time? Yes, here we go. Once again, let's drag it into applications folder. And now comes the moment you've all been waiting for, seeing a web browser other than Internet Explorer. Where did it go? Camino, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nah. Same problem. It really just jumps around and does nothing. Okay, well, there we go. It's unfortunately not working. Very bad, very bad. But what can I do? This is not going to do. This is the oldest version I could find and probably was released. So I'm sorry, no Camino for us. But now let's try something that we already proved works. So let's launch it first with the integrated Vorschau, the PDF reader of OS X. Always works good. Here is my PDF. That's awesome. Now let's open that same applications that we did previously here, Adobe Reader, and open the PDF with Adobe Reader. Acrobat Reader. Yes, I want to set it as my default. I already pressed that. Why does it keep asking me that? Let's open. Let's go to not documents. Let's go to desktop and Hausaufgabe PDF. Even displays it even here. Oh, that's nice. Even Cheetah could do that. Great. All right. There we go. And as you can see, Adobe Reader totally working. We got Adobe Reader. Even with all its stuff we can do, like create a text box here. Maybe we can do that. I don't know. Text select tool. All right. Oh no, this is just a selection tool. Well, interesting. But yeah. Oh, guys. Oh, it's 10 Cheetah for you. Here you go. That's to all these people that say I only complain about Windows Vista and whatever Windows crashing. Here we go, I'm complaining the same with OS 10. This is, yes, it's a beta, but come on. Why can't you keep a PDF file open for more than 10 seconds it was? I don't know. And I don't think it's the fault of Adobe in this case, it's just the unstable and really early version of OS 10. So let's try it again. Maybe it was just me playing around with it, with this stuff up here. So let's see if it this time leaves it open a little longer. We can scroll. We can scroll. It doesn't crash here. That's good. So we could read the documents at least. Let's press here. We could see it here. This is the whole page, number 1 and number 2. And this is, as we had it before, I think. No, it's a little bigger. And here, we could put it this way, sideways, up and down. That didn't crash yet. What is that? We said Adobe. No, we're not going to do that. Even that works. We can skip all the way. That works. Alright. We could print it probably too. What is that? Oh no. No, it's launching the Internet Explorer. No, 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 no. Come on, stay closed. Stay closed! I already pressed close. Oh, you... It's not responding. Oh no, let's force quit it. Oh, decided to launch anyway. now it's back. Okay. So I think for the most part, Adobe Reader works good. Let's quit that. It's not so interesting, unfortunately. Now, the stuff we wanted to try before was, of course, transmission. And no. Nada. Just the little bump in the dock. Same with Camino. And pretty much everything else we probably will try. Oh, guys. Not good at all. Not good at all. This is a very unsupported release of OS 10. There's Handbrake, which doesn't work. Unfortunately, it's a corrupted file. We don't have a working Camino. We have a working Adobe Reader. Well, that's good. We don't have a working transmission. And we have a working QuickTime player. Yeah, amazing, right? So I've got here one more thing. Got Netscape. Let's try this Netscape. That is, yeah, sorry, I forgot to copy it back into the desktop or wherever. The Netscape should work because Netscape was also before OS 10, and maybe that's another browser we can try to open up here on this old system. I kind of lost the faith and hope, but let's see, maybe that's a surprise here, that maybe for a change it will actually launch and not just crash right away. Okay, let's unzip it. Stuffit Expander is chugging along good. It's been doing a lot today. That's working good. So we got a working program, guys. So let's see what we got. It's undoing some more stuff. Real player. Interesting. There we go. Netscape installer. That sounded good. Netscape Mac Full. I think that's the one we just got. Was that an archive inside an archive? What the hell was that? Alright, we got again this real player thingy. Now we got two folders. We got Netscape installer 1 and 0. Let's go into first. Oh, we got the installer finally. Let's install it. OS 9, it's classic. You know what? There is no OS 9. What is it now doing? Yeah, as I said, there is no OS 9. What is it? Why is this still bouncing around? I don't think this is gonna do anything. It requires Classic. Okay, guys. There we go. That's a very unsuccessful video. It requires, as you see here, 9.1 and 10.1 and 10.2 is recommended. So yeah, technically it should be in here. It says 9.1 or later, so it's in between there. But yeah, it's really not gonna do that, right? It's just not gonna work. Sad, very sad. Here we got a lot of files. Now it actually stopped bouncing, but it's not really doing anything. Huh. Okay, we got a lot of files here. I don't know what they'll do. Browser. And we got OS 9 starting up. So yeah, this is basically a program for OS 9. So if we had OS 9, we could run it. So, in conclusion to this very unsuccessful and probably very boring video, the only way to get some useful software on OS 10 Cheetah is to use OS 9 software. So if I had Classic here, I could run all the OS 9 software, but then I could just show you an installation of OS 9 and run it there. So yeah, guys, I'm sorry, but here you go. That's a little tour on how to use OS 10 Cheetah. You can look at PDFs, although you can't really write them unless you do it in text edit. Let's see. Hello. And now let's try to save it. Maybe we can even create PDFs. That would be some very, very awesome computing goodness. Ha. Save it here. Documents. Pi.pdf. Oh, it's a rich text format. It doesn't matter. It doesn't care. It's just an RTF. It didn't even let me choose it. So, guys, here it is. I hope you liked it. It's a very frustrating and annoying process. You can't even do something cool in the terminal since there is just nothing really. I don't think there's a GCC available for example, for this old system. Unless you of course use OS 9. There it's gonna work just fine. As you see, there's no command found. So yeah, I can't even do anything pretty much. I was looking forward to compile a little C file, you know, and just for the sake of it, having it done on OS 10.0, but there is no GCC because there are no developer options, and yeah, sad. But what can you do? So hope you liked it, and install a newer version of OS 10.